Welcome to my channel. Let us look at this quadratic expression. We are required to simplify 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 all over x squared minus 4. So we're going to employ the quadratic identities. But first of all, let us express the numerator as a product of two terms. So for us to be able to do that, we're going to make sure that we have 4 terms in the numerator. So it means we're going to split the middle term into 2 so that we have 4 terms here. So for us to do that, we are going to look for 2 numbers whose sum is the same as b if we treat these as a quadratic expression. So b is -7. And the product of these 2 numbers should be the same as a times c. That is 3 times 2, which is 6. So you will find that these 2 numbers are -1 and -6. And we can check that if you add -1 plus -6, you get -7. You multiply the 2, you get +6. So it means, therefore, that we can rewrite the numerator as 3x squared minus x minus 6x plus 2 over, we can also rewrite the denominator as a product of 2 numbers. So for us to be able to do that, we have to rewrite this particular expression as we have x squared minus 4, which we can rewrite as x squared minus 2 squared. So if this is the case, then we can apply one of the quadratic identities, which is a difference of squares. So we can write this as x plus 2 times x minus 2, according to the quadratic identities. So it means, therefore, that in the denominator, we have x plus 2 times x minus 2. So in the numerator, we have a common factor between this, that is x. So we can write this as x into 3x minus 1. And we are expecting the same in the bracket for the next expression. So we expect to obtain 3x minus 1 that side. And for us to have a positive 2, it means we multiply -1 by -2. So we have -2, and that is over x plus 2 into x minus 2. So now in the numerator, we have x minus 2, and then we pick one of these in the brackets, that is 3x minus 1, and that is over x plus 2 into x minus 2. So now x minus 2 into x minus 2 once. So it means, therefore, that what we are left with is 3x minus 1 over x plus 2 as the simplified form of this quadratic expression. Kindly do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.